Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. So today I have the Xpulse 200. So this is the off-road, this is the successor to the Impulse 150. This is the 200cc bike, the new Xpulse 200. So today we are just gonna take it for a short dirt track test ride. I'm gonna just check out if it, if it really off-roads or if it's just like Himalayan, because the Himalayan tends to, break if you do really hard off-roading on that. The chassis, the welding, it tends to break. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it here. I've never, done some serious off-roading in my life, but yeah, definitely gonna take it a little slow. Then I'll have some other laps. Oh, come on, bro, move. So this is a nice place. Come on, this guy is too slow for my liking. Ooh, quite enough power. Quite enough power to pull up that kind of slope. And we have some, so I'm gonna stand up and check it out how it feels. Now I'm not gonna go make an entire review on this bike and tell you the specification, what it has and what it does not. I'm just gonna give my experience or my opinion on this bike. Woo! My rear is sliding out a lot at the moment. And we have some stupid pile up here. Come on, people, move. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, boys. I should have gone to the dirt to check it out. Nevertheless, so this is not a race if you guys are thinking. This is just a small test ride to see how the bike performs. You gotta be careful. What are you guys waiting for? I guess I have to wait and go slowly, one by one. Very less amount of vibrations compared to other bikes. I like this now. I like this. Woo! Oh, nice. We're climbing walls right now. Come on, let's go. Woo! Yeah! Come on, bro, move faster. I'm gonna take him from the inside.
कैमरा तुम्हारा पूरा नीचे होगा सर, आप ये लीजिए।
Alright guys, so what happened last time was that due to a sudden bump, my camera was not recording. I was recording but the angle changed, so I requested for one more round. So yeah, I can show you the entire track and how this bike performs. So you gotta stand up. While off-roading, you got to change your body positions a lot. You got to shift your body from left to right. You have to stand up. You have to sit down in some kind of turns. As you can see, the guy in front of me is kind of professional, I feel. So you can see he's completely riding the bike while standing up, just as I am doing right now. I hope the camera angle does not change this time. My screw was loose. I guess we want more people to come behind us. Only then we will be able to go forward. Jo. So this is the wall. I really enjoy riding on this. Hell, you gotta maintain your balance if you are,
स्टैंड होना है, मेंटेन द बाइक, रेस ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, ज़्यादा जंप नहीं लेना।
The suspension is fantastic on this. I didn't get the chance to break the test the brake on road, but the paint job, it looks amazing. It looks like a complete bike at the moment. And the Impulse, I guess, came with carburetor, but this comes with FI, that is fuel injection. So the throttle response and the on-off transition is much better and way smoother comparatively. I don't know how the headlight will perform, but this is how it looks. Seat height is very good, I feel, but while standing, one thing that I noticed was I was not able to reach the handlebars correctly. I wish they were a little higher. I had to bend a little. My height is 5'9", and so that was just the small issue that I faced. And the passenger comfort, I sat on this bike while it was standing, and I just moved around and just felt that it was very comfortable as well. You can use this as a touring bike as well. This has the place where you can mount the top box, and all in all, I really enjoyed it. And for the price that it offers, somewhere around 1 lakh something, I think it's an absolutely good deal. One thing that I wished that this was a bored out version of a 250cc bike. It would have it could have made a little more power than what it does right now. If you guys want to check out the entire specifications, the link is in the description below. As you can see, it's mentioned right there. It has ABS. I'm quite sure that it has ABS only in the front, but don't quote me on that. If you want to check out each and every specification, you can check out the description box. You can follow me on Instagram at Kazi_life on 2 wheels for more photos, stories, etc. So yeah, that's about it, guys. This is Faizan signing off. And this is the Impulse, oh sorry, Xpulse 200. Bye bye.